So I am 5'5". I really am this short. I'm not just far away.
Yeah.
I love it. It's such an old hack joke. That's one of my favorites. But the boyfriend, 6'6". Yeah, fuck me. Yeah, some couples have like sex toys. We are the only couple to have a sex ladder. And our friends have been asking us the whole time, like, oh no, Sam, who's the top?
Yeah.
Who's the train? Who's the tunnel? And I was like, it's less of a train and a tunnel, more of a skyscraper and window washer. Like when we're in the bedroom for protection, I wear a condom and a parachute. I'm gonna have this with us. When I go down on him, it takes days. But fun fact, I am the top in the relationship. Yeah, and also the fun thing about it is that my partner is non-binary, which means they don't identify as any gender. So that to all the people who used to bully me, who said, "You'll be fucking nothing," you were right. So. I wasn't sure the joke would fly, but it's very clear the queer people in the room are like, yeah. I was trying to see like the reverse of that, or like the nicer version of that, which might have not been as offensive. What I had in mind was that whenever I speak with them and they go like, "Oh baby, you're fucking everything," and I'm like, "I know." And then say that is you identify as more than one gender or every gender, so that's the friendlier version of that. But this means when we have we're in the boudoir, we cannot do normal sexual positions due to the difference. So we had to invent our own. We don't do doggy style. No, we do something called koala style. So he just sort of stands there, and then I sort of crawl and hang on for dear life as he walks around the room. And it's koala style because I'm small, I'm cuddly, and I have chlamydia. Now, most comedians won't end their sets by telling you they have chlamydia. But you know what they say, you gotta leave them with a clap. So, I love that. This is such a shit pun and it only flies here.
Across the